One of the most important elements to LinkedIn is networking. You need to start growing your followers and connect with them. This will make it easier for you to syndicate your content because you have gained prospects. To do so, you need to look up on your contacts and LinkedIn's newsfeed. Click on My Network. In this page, LinkedIn summarizes the list of people you may know, according to your background information. You will notice how there are people who might have gone to the same school as you. To view them, simply click on their profile. Keep in mind that the person will be notified that you are viewing and following them in LinkedIn. So if he or she is the person you wanted to connect with, click the Connect button and start your network. That is how you network using the contacts from your email and those who have similar education or working background as you. Another way for you to network with people is using the news feed from your homepage. If you scroll down, you can see related news from across the globe. What I would suggest you to do is to participate in the general discussion of any news you found related and interesting to your scope. For example, once you've read any news that is to your liking, click the like button, and if you have anything to share, comment on it. This is one of the most definite ways to publicize you and your business to the people of LinkedIn. They will see your comments, and if they are interested in your participation, they are going to view your profile and eventually connect with you. Now that you've connected with the people around you, next I will show you how to feature your accomplishments or content in LinkedIn.